You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
Peace, lovies. It's Amira, also known as Blissfully Mindful, back at you with another Blissful Chit Chat Sunday video. How have you all been doing? I just popping in to let you all join me to make some salad, just some mixed green salad. I hope you all are doing well. If you have not already done so, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I've been doing a series with lots of vegan stuff, so I'm gonna keep doing that, but this week is just a salad. Sorry. Salad, and I don't know, whatever else will happen, but yeah, salad. I've been vegan for a long time, so I will be sharing some of my tidbits. So if you have not done so, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you know when I post, because I will be sharing some of my vegan secrets and all that good stuff. So let's get ready to make some salad. It's going to be delicious. I'm also going to make a dressing. I don't know what. I'm just going on the fly here, so bear with me. It should turn out good. Usually when I make my own salad dressing, it does turn out pretty good, so I'm sure it is. Anyway, let's go. So along with sprouts, I'm also adding some organic dandelion. Yes, the one that you see outside, it's not just a weed, it is actually highly nutritious. It's got so many minerals, vitamins, fiber, just all kinds of goodness. It's high in antioxidants. It reduces cholesterol, helps with weight loss, regulates blood sugar, reduces inflammation, lowers blood pressure, reduces cancer risk, and boosts your immune system, helps with digestion, helps keep your skin healthy. Dandelion is a nutritional powerhouse. In case you did not know, it is definitely something that I just started adding to my salad, but it is really good. It tastes, it's got a slightly bitter taste, but it's still, it's not too bad. It's also got vitamins A, C, and K, as well as vitamin E, folate, and B vitamins. It's also has iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, just fiber. The list, of all the goodness that you get from dandelion, it's just really powerful. So I went back in with the salad dressing. It needed some, I don't know, it just needed something to give it that oomph. So I went and added some nut butter to it, and that definitely did the trick. And I added some paprika and a little more nutritional yeast because I needed a little more of that. I think that's all. But yeah, I had to add something else to it because it had, well, of course, it had the bitterness because I put the vinegar in there and the mustard. So it needed something to kind of soften that. So yeah, that's why I added the nut butter, and that actually did the trick because the dressing came out fabulous. It was delicious. The salad, all the sprouts, everything worked out. I wanted a little crunch, so I threw some sunflower seeds on there. I guess you could throw whatever. I use sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, pine nuts, whatever. I usually sprinkle something crunchy on top. And then because of the slight bitterness of the dandelion, I threw some raisins on top to offset that bitterness as well, and that definitely did the trick. The sprouts taste delicious. So I had sunflower sprouts and kale sprouts, as well as green leaf lettuce, and just overall everything turned out wonderfully. On the side I just threw some cauliflower patties that I made. I just threw those on the side just to make this a meal. And other than that, everything turned out divine. All right, you all, thank you so much for joining me. Again, if you have not already done so, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications. Also, follow me over on Instagram at blissfully.mindful. Also, go to my blog, check out my post there. I put a lot of things there I don't put here, lots of stuff going on in my head, and I definitely get a lot more deep, more interpersonal there. So at blissfullymindful.life, definitely go there and check out my blog. Regularly, I post every day there. So yeah, other than that, I love you all bunches and bunches. I will see you all next time for some more, I don't know what. I'm just going on a fly here, you all. So we'll see what happens next week for Blissful Chit Chat Sundays. I love you all bunches and bunches. Sunflower smooches, peace and love. Mwah.